I got one more for you guys. Let's see if we can get a consolation.
This one, I'm leaving. I'm gone. It's like I just go put a dunce cap on and sit in the corner.
What's up, guys? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and I am here today at the world-famous Hollywood sign. I'm going to walk around here and ask these people of Los Angeles a few health-related questions, and we'll see if we have any winners today. What is your name and where are you from?
Dennis O'Brien from Springfield, Illinois.
I'm Christopher, and I'm also from Ukaipa.
My name is Sergio. I come from Brazil.
Debbie Hamilton, also from Springfield, Illinois.
Yeah, my name is Eder. I'm also from Brazil.
Oh, I'm Caesar, and I'm from Ukaipa. San Bernardino County.
Caesar. That's a badass name. Okay, Chicago Bulls fans at all?
I don't like any local teams.
Me either.
You guys get along? You guys feeling confident?
No, but we'll go for it. We'll try.
So the drugs called antipyretics have what effect on the body? Is it A, reduce nausea, B, reduce anxiety, or C, reduce fever?
Isn't that anxiety?
I would go for B.
Yeah, sure. I don't know.
Wow, I can go for A.
You're thinking A?
Yeah,
So you guys, because you guys all have to agree on one. Yeah.
Agree on.
I still going away because
On A, let's. I'll let it go. Yeah. Let's see.
Anxiety.
She's a,
I'll go with him.
it's actually C, reduce fever. It's actually reduce fever. I don't even know this, but my mind just went to pyro, hot. I don't know.
Yeah, that makes sense. I wasn't familiar with it. I was just thinking like anti-inflammatory usually does the same thing.
Antipyretics include drugs like ibuprofen and aspirin, which reduce fever in addition to being painkillers. They work by overriding the instruction from your hypothalamus to give you a fever to fight the infection, which can actually hide it if the infection is worsening.
At least I learned something today.
the problem is this class.
The average adult has how many fat cells? A, 10 million, B, about 15 billion, or C, about 30 billion?
He did hit us with the tough ones.
I think we was playing football on that one as well.
I'd say B too. I'll go with her. She's got
B,
bigger.
yeah.
I think 10. I'll go in 10.
10 millions, yeah, let's go for 10.
You guys have to agree on one.
30. Going for 30. We're going for 30. We're going for 30. Okay, 30.
We're going for 30.
I like it. You're making an executive decision. I like it. And that paid off because you're right. It is 30 billion. You are right.
Okay. Yay!
It's C, 30 billion.
Acertou a pergunta?
No way.
I would have like that one right. Yeah, but that's okay. It was a guess. That's just a guess.
Man, here I thought we were gonna do good at this.
The number of fat cells you have is consistent throughout adulthood because you create new ones exactly at the rates the old ones die. I got one more for you guys. Let's see if we can get a consolation.
This one, I'm leaving. I'm gone. It's like I just go put a dunce cap on and sit in the corner.
Corazon is a medical name for what disease? Is it A, mumps, B, the common cold, or C, acne?
I would say common cold. The B.
I'm going with acne.
Yeah.
I know that common cold, so I'll go with B. I don't care. You know what? B. We're just gonna guess. I'm gonna guess B.
Do you concur?
I have to. I will go for C, but
You made me like the last one very wrong.
You're calling the shots on this one. You're right. It's the common cold. That's correct. You're right. You're absolutely right. Common cold is correct. It's actually the common cold.
Where's my dunce cap? 0 for 3.
Yes, corazon refers to the inflammation of the nose, which makes your nose run and is commonly caused by the common cold, as well as allergies. It's also known as rhinitis.
Yeah, right.
Rhinitis, yep.
I'm Chris, and we just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Denny.
I'm Debbie.
We're the dunces of the Street Smart Challenge.
I'm Caesar, and we just played the Street Smart Challenge.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you, Dherbs.
You just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, the herbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.